Hi, I'm Zen. I've been in the field of education for over a decade now. I have a degree in secondary education and I'm a certified ESL teacher as well. I can assist students of all levels in developing their writing and speaking skills from beginner to adult. For adult, I can help develop their communicative language, which emphasizes interaction and connection in real life and focuses on role playing, speaking, and listening specifically for business English learners. For kids, I can help them learn new words through games, flashcards, and songs to make learning English easier and more fun. I have handled students of different nationalities. I think my teaching style is very dynamic, passionate, and punctual. I have worked with different ESL companies, office based, but during the peak of the pandemic, I decided to shift from working from home. I was also given the chance to show my abilities in different positions, which includes group leader, QA, and lastly, head teacher.